Hello children, welcome to your English language class. This is your English teacher Miss Sarika, and today we are going to learn about subject and predicate. The subject of the sentence is what or who the sentence is about. A predicate is the part of a sentence that tells what the subject is doing or what the subject is. A complete sentence needs both subject and predicate. For example, the horse ran in the field. In this sentence, the horse is a subject, ran in the field is a predicate. So, what is a subject? Who or what the sentence is about is a subject. What the subject does or is a predicate in the sentence. The doer of the action is subject. The action is itself is predicate in the sentence. The subject has a noun or pronoun. Predicate has a verb. You can see in this sentence the horse ran in this field. In the field. So here the predicate part has a verb, that is ran. So the part which has a verb is a predicate in the sentence. So here ran in the field is a predicate, and who ran in the field is horse. So it's a part of subject. It's a subject. Let's move forward. Remember, when you ask who or what to the verb in a sentence, you get subject of the sentence. Let us now pick out the subject and the predicate from a few sentences. Let's see. Samantha eats ice cream for dessert. So firstly, we have to see what is the verb here. So the verb is here eats. The part which has a verb is a predicate in the sentence. So the predicate here is eats ice cream for dessert. So that is the predicate. And who eats ice cream? Who eats ice cream? That is Samantha. So Samantha is subject in this sentence. Samantha is subject and eats ice cream for dessert is a predicate in this sentence. Let's understand with other examples. Mikey and George played in the mud. So here played is the verb. So who played? Mikey and George. So they are subject here in this sentence, and played in the mud is predicate because the predicate part always has a verb. So here the verb is played. So played in the mud is a predicate in this sentence. I built a sand castle at the beach. So verb is here built, and who built? I built. So I is subject, and built a sand castle at the beach is a predicate because that part has a verb here, and the verb is built. Subject changes place when we make a question. So let's see example. She is Emily's friend. In this sentence, she is subject, and when the subject changes place, then it becomes a question. Is she Emily's friend? Then it has become a question. The subject can come after the predicate. Subject can come after the predicate. We can understand with an example. Orange is my favorite color. In this sentence, orange is subject as my favorite color is predicate in this sentence. When we change the place, my favorite color is orange. Now predicate is my favorite color. Predicate, and orange is subject. But the subject can come from this example. We have come to know that the subject can come after the predicate in a sentence. So students, thanks for watching the video, and I hope that all of you have understood the subject and predicate. Bye bye.